Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download and install Hoop app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open the App Store. So this will be made for iPhone users only. That's why we are on the App Store. So this video is, I say, only for Apple users. Then when you're on the App Store, you'll have this in front of you. So we have 5 tabs here. We have the Today tab, Games, Apps in the middle, we have Arcade, and in the bottom right corner we have the Search tab. Now when we are in the Search tab, that is what we need. We need to go and click on the search bar and type in HOOP and click Enter. And here it is, we have the Hoop app. So what you need to do is go and click on the application. And here, as you can see, you can go and click on Get. It will then start downloading, double click. And while it is downloading, you can go and check out the ratings, age, chart, and all of those things. And you can check out some of the pictures here. You can scroll down and check out, as you can see again, the ratings and a lot more comments and everything. And then, as you can see, the age, language, and everything. Now you can scroll here, and when it downloads, you will have this open button here. You just need to go and click on it and, of course, use the application. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as, guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And, guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye, guys.